Question 3, first part, find the integral of ln x over x cubed dx. Okay, to do a question like this, first of all we need to realize that this can be rewritten as ln x times x to the power minus 3 dx. This is integration by parts, and therefore we are saying integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Using the acronym LATE, logarithm is first, so I'm going to take u as ln x, and therefore du is equal to 1 over x, dv is equal to x to the power minus 3, meaning that if you integrate this back, you're going to get v as x power minus 2 divided by minus 2. uv is going to be equal to minus half x power minus 2 times ln x minus the integral of v du minus half x squared times du 1 over x dx, and hence we've got minus 1 over 2x squared ln x minus integral minus becomes plus. I can put the half outside. X squared divided by x is basically, are we saying x squared? No, x power minus 2, isn't it? Yeah, because this is minus 2. Right, so my x power minus 2 divided by x power 1 is x power minus 2 minus 1 x power minus 3. So dx. So what we've got is negative ln x over 2x squared, right, plus half. If you were to integrate this, you're going to get x to the power minus 2, okay, divided by minus 2. So answer to the question is then, answer to the question is going to be equal to then here minus ln x over 2x squared minus x to the power minus 2 divided by 4, plus minus becomes minus, and if you have to clean this up, you should be able to get minus ln x over 2x squared minus 1 over 4x squared. X squared can come down here using the law of indices. Okay, for the second part, hence show that the integral of ln x over x cubed dx with limits going from 1 to 2 is equal to 1 over 16 into 3 minus ln 4. Okay, so remember we had the integral as this in the previous part of the question. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to apply the limits. Okay, the limits is 2 and 1. So basically we're saying 2 goes here, so minus ln 2 divided by 2 times 4, because 2 to the square is 4, minus ln 1 over 4 times 4. Okay, so minus ln 2, and this is the upper limit, of course. Take away the lower limit. ln 1 is 0 anyway, so we're not going to go far with this part here. ln 1, okay, over 2 times 1, which is then 2, 1 to the square is 1, 1 over 4 times 1 square is 4. So this is going to be 8 minus 1 over 16, minus becomes plus. This is 0 because ln 1 is 0, 1 over 4. So we can multiply and make the denominator the same. I can say minus 2 ln 2 divided by 16 minus 1 over 16 plus 4 over 16. 4 over 16 is 1 over 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3 over 16, then minus 2 ln 2 divided by 16. The 16, 1 over 16 can go outside. I've got 3 minus ln 2. This can become here power, 2 to the power of 2. And therefore I end up with 1 over 16 into 3 minus ln 4. Here we are, it's been shown.